I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a great dessert for Easter. It's coming up. We only got a few more weeks, and this one, I'm telling you, this one will go over great. And this is called a Pig Pickin Cake. Now, I've heard several different versions of what it's called. Some people call it a pig licking. But down in the low country, we always called it a pig picking cake, and it is good, whether you're a pig or not. And pretty simple ingredients. We're just going to be using 1 yellow cake mix, some mandarin oranges, eggs, and oil for the cake. Of course, I put my little zippity-doo. I always add a little vanilla. And for the icing, y'all, this icing is spectacular. It's just some pudding, Cool Whip, and some crushed pineapple, and I'm telling you, it is delicious. I could eat just the icing just by itself. So we're gonna get this going. I've got my oven set at 350. I've got my two cake pans greased and floured. Y'all know how to do that. I didn't drag you along for that. So let's get this stuff going. Now, of course, eggs is always best if you've got them sitting out room temperature, but if you ain't got all the time for that, then that's fine too. Let me just get a knife. A little knife and open this up. Be on the struggle bus. Alright. I normally mix my eggs and all. I don't know what I'm doing, just dumping this in, but it's going to work out just fine. It'll be okay. Alright, get my little eggs in here. Have them rolling around. Four eggs. I know these eggs are outrageous right now, but they're coming down.
Yep.
So, maybe soon, hopefully. Alright, we're going to do 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in here. 1/4 cup. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix this up because before I add my mandarin oranges in, I'm going to mix this up because I don't want them to just be beat to death. So we're going to give this a little mix. Alright, that's about enough. I also got to have this juice to make it mix well. Now, this calls for 11 ounces of mandarin oranges with the juice, but
oh, my bad.
Russell did my shopping, and it's fine. I appreciate him doing that, and he got a 15-ounce can, so we will just guesstimate about 11 ounces out of here. And we'll use about 1/2 cup of this juice. And that's what we're going to go with. But if you have an 11-ounce can of mandarin oranges, just dump the whole thing in there. It'll be just fine. Alright. See where we at on the mix. Now I'm just going to give it a little mix up. Alright. This is what we're looking at right now. There you go. Yummy, yummy. You still got little pieces of mandarin all through that. And it's gonna get mixed up. So, but got my little pan. I normally do little 3 layers, y'all, but I'm just gonna do 2 today. It's about to drop. I'm about to make a mess. We're just gonna split this up. Got my oven ready. This is real simple to put together too. Just real fast. And boy, is it good. My mom used to make these, take them to church and everything. Oh, they were just so good. Delicious. Just trying to even it up. Make sure we get everything out of here. It's hard me doing it from that direction. Let me just do it towards myself.
Yeah.
Do what I do. All right. All right, y'all, in the oven we go. I'll probably cook them for about 20-25 minutes. I'll time it, let you know just how long. But just like that, y'all, we're gonna have some cake. All right, y'all, out the oven. Look at there. That's what it looks like.
It's looking good.
Looking good. So I'm gonna flip it out on my little cooling grid. And y'all, let me tell you, after I mixed it, put it in, I looked over there at my vanilla flavor, and it's like, I forgot. So it's all right. But because I did tell y'all, so I add this to everything, and I didn't. But anyway, I normally do. But clearly you don't have to. So we're gonna get these a cooling, and I'm gonna show you how to do that good old icing next. All right, y'all, my cakes are cool, and it's time to put this good little frosting together. Now I'm gonna start with 1 can of crushed pineapple. Don't have to be no name brand. This is 20 ounce. I got the Walmart brand, and she's gonna do me just fine. In it goes. Now I'm gonna mix my. I just have the small 3.4 ounces of instant Jell-O pudding. We're gonna give this a little mix in here. No, I don't think I'm gonna mess up my beaters for this. All right, I'm just gonna get my little whisk. I'm just gonna mix this together like so. Now, this is what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna fold in this Cool Whip. You don't want to beat it half to death, so folding it in is just fine. Yummy, yummy. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of that vanilla in there just for a little extra oomph. Some more taste. And that's all, y'all. Quick and easy. About a teaspoon of that. Good stuff. Good, good. And give it a little mix. Yummy, yummy. Oh, look at me making a mess. Y'all, just how quick and easy this is. I tell you. Look at there. Woohoo. Just like that. We got us some icing. Yes. Now I'm gonna let this sit for just a minute in the refrigerator, and I could have done that while the cakes were cooling off. I probably should have. Now some people put some chopped pecans in there, and that is delicious as well. You don't need it. But I'm just gonna give this pudding just a minute to get firm. Then we're gonna dress our little cake up, ice it up. And it's going to be ready to go and delicious.
And my time.
And it's your time to shine, James Russell. Your time, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. It's icing time. This is thickened right up. And we're all ready. Got my little cooled cakes. This made a plenty, just so y'all know. And like I said, I normally do 3 layers. I just did 2 today.
Just me and you, honey.
Just us, and we're gonna actually give this to his mom. All right, just gonna do a quick little, nothing fancy here. Yummy, yummy. I love anything with some pineapple in it. Desserts.
I like that. Oranges too.
Yep, the mandarin. Those little mandarin oranges are so good.
We've been eating them.
We've been eating the fresh ones.
Yes.
Yes.
We're trying to eat a little healthier.
Yeah, we're trying to do better, y'all. We are. But I did want to show y'all this little, good little Easter cake. So easy to put together, and you can do it in advance and have it in the refrigerator waiting on you. Alright. Some good stuff. This cake brings back good memories for me, I'm telling you. My mom used to make it all the time. We always got excited. She made this, she made red velvet cake. She made all kind of good stuff. Alright. On the top it goes. Just like that. boom, boom. So quick and easy to get together. Like I said, they've made plenty of icing, so you don't have to skimp. And I'll put this in the refrigerator and just let it get better and better. All right. Quick, ain't it, Russell?
Yeah, I like it.
Real quick.
It looks good too, man.
It is delicious. So good. Yummy, yummy. Let it fall right off the side here. Get all my little sides hit. There she is.
Looks pretty good to me, y'all.
Yep, not to do nothing fancy. Obviously, I ain't tried to make it real pretty.
Mama won't care.
But,
She'll eat it just the way it is.
We're just gonna have, we're gonna have a little taste of it and give it a share it, and it'll be good. We'll enjoy it. You ready for a little taste, Russell?
I am ready. Yep.
All right, let's do it. Tasting time.
Yay! Cake tasting time.
Pig Pickin Cake.
I like the name of that.
There you go.
Make me a pig.
No.
Make a pig out of myself, y'all.
Like I said, there's been many versions of this cake.
Well, if you don't like pineapples and mandarins, I don't know. Yeah. I'll eat your share.
All right.
Let's see what she tastes like.
Good stuff.
Yeah. We better get this out of this house today. She got to go.
His mama always loves something sweet.
She does. She does.
We thought we'd fix her little treat. Oh, bless.
Y'all,
it just jumped right
That
off.
is absolutely unacceptable, y'all. We can't have that. We cannot have that.
It's okay. We get it.
Oh, I got...
Oh, bless.
Well, it's real TV, y'all. That's all I can tell you.
It is what it is.
Man, I can't believe I did that. That's...
Just wasted.
You see what I did?
Just threw it on the floor. All that hard work, just throw it away.
It's got to be like over 200 videos.
Oh, for us? Yeah,
I don't drop food, y'all. That's yeah.
It's not ever happened.
That's never happened before in 200 and something videos.
No,
so,
never.
Y'all,
here's a first.
There's a first, and I ain't cutting it. So there it is.
Maybe Lord is trying to tell us.
Baby, I don't need that. That's what it's saying. I need to get inside the house, y'all. It's delicious, y'all. I'm telling you, it'll make your Easter gatherings. People will appreciate it and enjoy it. Give it a try.
Great for any kind of summer.
Yeah, it really is. It
Summer's
speaks
coming,
summer. It really does. The fruitiness. It's light. Yeah, very good.
It's really good. It's real moist. The cake itself is really moist, and then you got that cool creamy frosting, and it's a good combination.
And also, I want to apologize if the camera's shaky a little bit. I have a little bits going on with my leg, and yeah.
Yeah,
we're struggling to get through it this week, but
oh well.
Yep. Anyway,
we made it. We wanted to give you this little recipe.
Yeah.
And maybe you make it for your little lovies, your little sugar babies, and all your family.
Yeah. Let us know if you do.
Yep. And y'all, we appreciate you so much every week. All the people that just jumps in there and watches and gives us love, loves on us just a little bit. We sure appreciate it.
We do. Every one of you.
Yes. And until next time.